Alright, now you guys know that the coffee sucks in hotels. So what I did was I bought a bag of grounded Kona coffee. Also brought my AeroPress, so we're going to use that with the Keurig coffee maker to actually heat the water up. I'll show you what I do. So much better than Keurig. Alright guys, we're going to do a nice breakfast today. We bought some bagels from the market at Papayas and also some tofu sour cream. I make the smokin' cream cheese. If you guys haven't seen that video, check that out here. What we're going to do now is go to the hotel, go in the lobby and actually toast the bagels. See how it goes. Let's go. Managed to get the bagels toasted. The staff was pretty nice and they took it down to the kitchen instead and they just boxed it up. So right now we're gonna make the cream cheese and get that on and just have a good breakfast. This bagel is a Yokutis everything bagel. Amazing. And that is how you do an amazing vegan breakfast in Kauai. Coming at you with more tips. PCD, Good Life Cooking, I'm out. Peace.